Welcome back to GigaBits, the channel where we cut through hype, marketing promises, and half-working apps to see what actually improves how you work and live. Let me ask you something. How many times have you promised yourself just 5 more minutes on YouTube and suddenly an hour is gone? Imagine blocking YouTube, social media, gaming sites, streaming platforms, and even entire apps on your computer. And once the timer starts, there is absolutely no way back. No extensions to disable, no system tricks, no loopholes, no mercy. In a world where distraction is engineered to steal your attention, Cold Turkey Blocker claims to be the most extreme focus tool available. But in 2026, with AI productivity apps everywhere, habit trackers, smart reminders, and digital wellness tools, is Cold Turkey actually the best way to stay focused, or just another overhyped productivity myth? I decided to review Cold Turkey Blocker because most focus apps today feel far too forgiving. They rely on motivation, streaks, gentle reminders, or optional limits, all of which completely fail the moment your discipline slips. So instead of a quick demo, I used Cold Turkey during real work sessions, long editing days, deep writing blocks, research sessions, and extended screen time. No shortcuts, no test mode. The goal was simple. Does Cold Turkey truly enforce focus, or are there hidden ways around it that break the illusion? Cold Turkey Blocker claims it can completely eliminate digital distractions by blocking websites, applications, keywords, and even entire operating system itself. It promises strict schedules, deep focus modes, forced downtime, and most importantly, no way to bypass blocks once they are active. The app doesn't market itself as friendly or flexible. It positions itself as a last resort productivity tool for people who are tired of sabotaging their own work. Cold Turkey has been around since 2014 and is built by an independent development team, not a big tech corporation chasing engagement metrics. Unlike browser-based blockers, Cold Turkey runs at the system level. That alone makes it far harder to disable or trick. In real-world use, the blocking is aggressive. Websites are blocked across all browsers. Apps become completely inaccessible. Keyword blocking prevents entire categories of content from loading. The most extreme feature is Frozen Turkey mode. Once activated, you cannot uninstall the app, modify block lists, or stop the session, even after restarting your computer. I tested common bypass attempts, incognito mode, alternate browsers, VPNs, system restarts. None of them worked. When Cold Turkey says blocked, it truly means blocked. But this level of control comes with serious trade-offs. The interface feels outdated compared to modern productivity apps. There's no mobile version, no cloud syncing, and no cross-device control. And if you accidentally block something critical, a work tool, a client platform, or a system feature, you're locked out until the timer ends. No exceptions. Cold Turkey also isn't motivational. No analytics, no rewards, no AI suggestions. It doesn't help you build habits, it forces them. So, is Cold Turkey Blocker the best concentration app in 2026? If you want absolute control, zero distractions, and real consequences for procrastination, yes, it's one of the most effective tools available. It's not flexible, it's not friendly, but it delivers exactly what it promises. Focus, no matter what. If you want more honest, no-fluff reviews on productivity software and tech that actually affects how you work, make sure to follow GigaBits, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more